The Academies of Nashville are really on the cutting edge of what's happening in education.
One of the things that stands out to me is how many other schools around the country are trying to figure out how to implement the academy model that we have already had in place for 10 years.
We saw the academy model as a real opportunity to truly transform education and make it more authentic and real for students.
I'm learning what I want to learn, so I'm in class, I'm more focused. I get to do what I want to do and have fun with it at the same time.
Opportunities like audio production, aviation engineering, pilot classes, things like that you don't get in a traditional high school.
When students come into an academy, they select a program of study or a pathway. It's almost like a major in a college.
Everything from the medical sciences to engineering to mechatronics, anything that is high demand in our area provides students with opportunities for employment at a much faster and higher rate than their peers who do not get to experience the academies and understand what's available to them in the area.
They're also going to be surrounded by a team of general education teachers, that math, English, science, and social studies teachers that will be teaching through the lens or the theme of that academy.
My least favorite class is physics, but when it's taught through the lens of audio production, it helps me remember it and it helps me understand and look just a little bit better.
In the 9th grade year, they also go on a college visit so they can begin to be college-minded. We believe if you can't see it, you can't be it. All of our 9th grade students go to a career fair where they learn about a really large range of careers.
Over 150 businesses are represented, and it's so successful, we even have private schools asking to participate.
After a student selects their academy during their 10th grade year of experiential learning, they go on an industry-related field trip. Maybe they're going to go to a hospital to see what a nurse does. Or maybe they go on a job site where an engineer is designing bridges. During the 11th grade year, after they've learned some content, they've been exposed with a field trip, they're matched one-on-one to do a job shadow.
They begin to come in and now and take on one aspect of the work, and they're actually going to go in and work with a leader and start doing productivity, start working with their hands and seeing how work is really done.
And then finally, in their senior year, they're going to do a senior capstone project where they would do extended research on that career.
We plan to build a hydrogen truck, a hydrogen tractor, a 40-panel solar farm, and a hydrogen generator. These will be used to help in our community garden that we run.
Students can change their pathway at least once during their academy experience. Students can also go out of zone to a different school depending on what academy they're interested in.
We know that business and industry employers play a huge role in supporting schools. And when they engage in the development of the academy model, they're at the table when the academies are developed. They become co-owners.
Our industry professionals sat down with the teachers, helped develop the curriculum and online materials for the teachers and the students.
If you were to look at the list of the top 10 employers in Nashville, the majority of them are serving as academy partners. And that's who our students are getting to network with. That's who they're getting internships with. That's who they're going to do job shadowing experiences with. That's who's coming and being part of our career exploration fair.
Because I've interned over the summer at St. Thomas Midtown and I'm also a St. Thomas scholar, I have a connection with the St. Thomas family. So once I'm out of college, I'll be able to start finding a job, and I have that connection with them already.
The benefits of the academy system in Metro Nashville Public Schools is that it supports our goal to increase the rigor, relevance, and relationships with all of our students, as well as readiness for college and career opportunities beyond high school.
Industry partners are now working in a very close relationship with students to tutor and mentor them on specific industry exams.
I'm able to take all the advanced placement classes, the Cambridge classes, and actually graduate with my ACE Cambridge diploma without an issue, and also take all the academy classes I want as well.
I'm a football player at Cane Ridge. I have a 4.2 and I have AP and honors classes.
So when I graduate high school, I am looking to have around 21 hours of college credit.
When we started, I would look on Edutopia and I would see one part of a school that had an academy, what those students got to do it, what those business partners did for them, and it was maybe 50 students that were being impacted. What's happened here is that there's thousands doing what those 50 students got to do. That's the power of it.